Hey guys, Ironhead Garage back. Well, I got some of that, all that rust out of there, out of that channel. Sanded it pretty good. Came out good, and had some bad pitting here on my A-pillars. Sanded that down. It's got a little bit of pitting in it. Put some red oxide primer on it. It don't match too bad. I'll shoot a couple little other spots on here, and get my DA sander out. Hit that dash and smooth it all up and get some paint on it so it don't rust. I think I'll just paint it all black for now. We'll see how that comes out. Got some motor parts. Summit, or Speedway actually. Got my water pump. It's a Proform high volume water pump, polished. I got the fan and the pulleys. It's like a stock car racing fan. Those flex fans, if you pull high RPMs, they lose wind pull. So this thing, no matter what RPM you're running at, it pulls the same wind. So that should work. Hopefully to keep it cool. I got some ARP bolts for that bottom harmonic balancer pulley, but they came fine thread. And my harmonic balancer is 18 pitch thread, so I got to get some different ones for that. I got some ARP stainless bolts coming for the water pump. They should be here tomorrow. My radiator should be here tomorrow, hopefully, come with FedEx. So yeah, then I can build that radiator mount, figure out how to do it. And yeah, check it out. I scored this electric windshield wiper motor on eBay. 25 bucks, free shipping. Guy said it didn't work, so I took a gamble on it. Took it all apart, and the power wire came off the inside. So the brushes all look good, almost like new inside, nice and clean. I cleaned the commutator, put it all back together, put some new grease in it, and hooked it up to the old 12-volt regulator, and it worked. So yeah, pretty cool. The rebuilt ones are like 200 bucks or more, you know, or you can buy those aftermarket ones. So I just came over here and hooked it up, make sure it's going to work on the car. And I put some zip ties on my windshield wiper motor. You hit this old switch. And look at that. She's coming alive. So I got wipers, got low, hit the switch, got high. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Shut this thing off. Yeah, it'd be nice to be able to drive this thing in the rain if it starts raining on me, so I can see. I plan on driving it to work once in a while, show it off. So that'll be good. And I got an old 55 Chevy windshield wiper switch. It's been all sandblasted. The cable's all good. It's almost like new. 60 years old or something. So I got that, and I got the 55 Chevy wiper emblem, or trim piece, whatever you call it, for the wiper. Got an original 55 Chevy knob for the wiper, and it just takes a special nut. Screw this on the dashboard. I got that coming in the mail. So yeah, really neat. Got to have windshield wipers. They get some bad thunderstorms around here once in a while. They come fast and they go fast. So you never know when it's going to rain up here in the mountains. Alright guys, well, I'm going to get my DA sander out. Try to smooth that dash up and get some paint on it. See what it looks like. Well, I got some primer on that dash, and did a little bit of filler up here on the top. The tack's going to go. I got a couple killer old 60s tacks I'm going to put up there. It had a couple holes in there. I welded them up, kept that one there for the wires going through. So I ground all that down. Need a little bit of putty. I was going to go put some paint on it, but man, right over here, you can see in this shadow, it's one little ding right there. So I'm going to get the putty back out, put a little bit of putty on there, sand it down, then I'll spray the whole thing black, put some red oxide on my toe boards. So yeah, I'll check this out. Had the mud out. Used to do body work back in the day, and when I worked in the body shop, did a little filler on there, trying to match that old patina. I got some, I think it's called satin cinnamon and some red oxide primer. It's close. I'll play with it a little bit more, see how it goes, but looks a lot better. Bare metal and it ain't gonna rust. So yeah, really neat. And look at that, I got the radiator. So I'm building some mounts. Maybe I'll show that in the next video coming up. Building the radiator support. 55 Chevy aluminum 4-core radiator. She's gonna cool nice and good. And with that fan, got my ARP water pump bolts. This car is going to be straight looking from the 60s. Don't need no electric fan. They didn't have no electric fans back then. You put your electric fan on there. Nah, I'm running mechanical. Alright guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.